Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paragular and you are watching Dipat TV. Ang susunod na palabas ay rated PG, patnubay at gabay ng mga magulang ang kailangan sa mga batang manonood. Broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Ordaneta in Pangasinan inside DPAT's laboratory. Don Patrick D. Paragular proudly brings to you September 2023 finale of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Alright, so going into our finale, September 2023 finale, we will now proceed right away with our group stage for today's race day. This run and done Wednesday afternoon right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, beginning with this race number 1 of Group B pala, sorry. B pala mauuna ngayon, sorry. So lane 1 yung Group B, 2-1 ano? Ano ba yung nag-lane 2 nung last time? A. O, di lane 2 ngayon yung Group B. 2-1, 2-1, 2-1 ulit. Ayun. Okay. Group B race number 1. Ang una nating laban ay sa pagitan ni na MP at ni Setsuna. So sila yung unang magtatagpo sa ating para simulan ng ating DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference with MP taking on Setsuna on a must-win situation for Setsuna, by na mag-champion dito si Setsuna. Otherwise, kay Venom makukuha, mapupunta yung champion of the month for Team Labas or Team Road. Team Road. Yan. Alright. In our race number 1 of Group B today, it's going to be lane 2 being the starting lane for MP and lane 1 being the starting lane for Setsuna in this matchup. Alright mga kahalipat, once again welcome to DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference with yours truly, Don Patrick D. Paragular, bringing you a lot of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action right here inside DPAT's laboratory, and we will proceed right away with our race number 1 of Group B to start off our festivities in our September 2023 finale of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Boom! Last 2. Final lap. KO. Nice run. What a way to start off September 27, 2023 edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference with Setsuna claiming the first victory of today's race day on DPAT's Tamiya League SMC. Ayun, saka lang yun. Ayun. Sunod na yun, tama. Sunod na yung next 2. Setsuna defeated MP. Chicha muna ako. Kuha muna ako ng chicha. MP lost. Setsuna won. Next. Group A, race number 1. Group A, race number 1 will feature Cosmo Atomica taking on Stargeek. Maybe the last dance. Eka nga ng awitin ng Kamikaze, our very own OPM rock group Kamikaze led by Che Contreras. Yung Huling Saya or Last Dance. This may be the last dance for Cosmo Atomica and McLaurin as well. Dahil nga po medyo nasisira na po yung mga chassis ko. So, kailangan ko na maalaga, ma-preserve kung mabuti yung mga natitira ko pa mga reinforced chassis. Kasi reinforced chassis itong hawak ngayon ni Cosmo Atomica. Yun yung si Stargate, huling na rin yun kasi guest racer lang to eh. Huling sayaw na rin or last dance na rin for Stargate. So si Metalder ang papalit sa kanyang pwesto come October 2023. Alright, in this race number 1 of Group A, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1 and Stargeek starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 1 of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, back. Final lane changer. Ayun, sumabi. Sayang. Final lap. KO. Sayang, ganda na sana na simula ni Stargeek kung may sumabit lang sa lane changer. Cosmo Atomica winner. Sayang na pagkakataon yun for Stargeek. What a wasted opportunity right there to seal in the victory over Cosmo. An upset victory that is over Cosmo Atomica. Sunod natin daw. Okay. Ano ba to? Green? Green ball pen. So, Cosmo won. Stargeek lost. Alright. Group B race number 2 will feature Venom taking on Myrick. Alright. Venom versus Myrick is our race number 2 of Group B, our team road. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and Myrick starting at lane 1. Alright. Race number 2 of Group B or team road. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay. Okay, draw game. Natulog. Draw game. Tabla. Natulog si Venom. Napolo si Venom, tabla. Yung sumilip kanina, shout out, salamat sa pagsilip. 1 point each, both Venom and Myrick. Okay. Group A, race number 2, featuring McLaren taking on Dark Sun. A long time rivalry right here. In our race number 2 of Group A, or Team Home. And in this matchup, it's going to be lane 1 for McLaren and lane 2 for Dark Sun as their respective starting lanes right here. In this race number 2 of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Oh, good. Fast for Tom Lewis. On to the final lap. KO. Winner. What speed and stability displayed right there by McLaren. Cruising to the victory with ease. Is our veteran, a long-time veteran on the Pats Tamiya League, McLaren. Also, its last dance. Huling sayaw na rin. Huling sayo na rin ngayong taon kasi sayang naman yung mga CFM po kasi kaya kailangan ma-preserve. Alright? Wait a minute. Alright, wait a second. So McLaren won over Dark Sun. Next. Race number 3 of Group B featuring MP taking on Myrick. And in this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 2 and Myrick starting at lane 1. Alright. race number 3 of Group B or Team Rhodes. Switch on. Ready, set, back. Yun lang. Last lane winner. Final lap. Stay off. Suwabe lang. Suwabe. MP winner. Yan. Tatlong busy lang ang meron tayo ngayon. Yung si Metalder kasi ano na yun, sa October ng balik. October 2. Pero regular fixture na yan. Ipera. MP 1 all. 1 all siya. Alright. Group A, race number 3 features the two VZ chassis machines, Stargate taking on Dark Sun. And in this race number 3, it's going to be Stargate starting at lane 1, Dark Sun at lane 2. Alright. Race number 3 of Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Last two. Digital laban na to. On to the final lap. Let's see if Target can hold on. Oh, what a finish. What a finish to that duel of VZ chassis machines right there, and what speed and stability displayed by Stargate, emerging victorious over Dark Sun. Walang rider kick, guru. Grabe. Grabe yung pinakita stability ron ng ni Stargate. Halimaw pala. Ganun pala siya kahalimaw. Grabe. What a monstrous run right there. Buti na lang, may nakukuha akong chichirya dito. Sabay ng inggit eh. Stargate 1. Dark Sun 2 straight losses. Back-to-back losses. The much-awaited rivalry of Venom and Setsuna continues in its race number 4 matchup of their group, and it's a crucial, a must-win situation for Setsuna to overtake Venom. A must-win championship, o kailangan mag-champion si Venom, ay si Setsuna rito. Otherwise, kung second or third, second down or down, wala. Venom ang makakakuha ng isang champion of the market. Alright, so in this race number 4 of Group B, it's going to be Battle of Super 2 para to. So Venom will start at lane 2 and Setsuna will start at lane 1. Alright, the Battle of Dark Warriors right here in this race number 4 of Team Rhodes. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Venom ahead. Final music for Venom. On to the final lap. Wala talaga, saya lang, medyo nagano lang, medyo nadikit-dikit lang, side show lang si Setsuna. Yun, tuloy, nakunahan ni Venom. Talaga di na pinakawalan. Venom emerging victorious over Setsuna. So, MP Venom. Tapos yung MP Setsuna, di ba? Oh, yan. That's it. That's it do sa Venom Setsuna. Setsuna lost. Venom won. 3 points. Venom with 3 points. Alright. Sabay ng inggit ng piatos. Durog. Group A, race number 4, will feature the finals rematch from the past 2 race days. It's going to be Cosmo Atomica taking on McLaren one more time in their final stand. We can say final stand for both Cosmo Atomica and McLaren because of the shortage. Meron tayong shortage kasi sa mga chassis. Mahirap nang hanapin itong Super FM at saka FMA na stock. Malamang sa Quezon City pa tayo makahanap. So, yan ang problema natin. But nevertheless, let's just go along with it. And in this race number 4 of Group A, featuring the finals rematch from the previous 2 race days, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica, McLaren rather, starting at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2. Alright. The finals rematch from the previous 2 championship races right here in this race number 4 of Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, sorry. Warning. sorry. Ready, set, bye. May din-example pa si Cosmo sayang. Di pa rin makapawi si Cosmo kay McLaren. McLaren winner. CFM lang talaga sa kalam. PC Apps versus CFM. CFM lang sa kalam. Dalag. Palit na pala. Yun. Next. Last 4. Down to last 4 na tayo. Cosmo. McLaren 2-0. Cosmo 1-all. Yan. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Penultimate race of Group B or Team Road, featuring Venom taking on MP. Alright. In this penultimate race of Group B, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and MP starting at lane 1. Alright. The penultimate race of Team Home Group Stage. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. MP with a quick start. Venom catches up. Final catch up. It's on the MP. Venom on the final lane changer. Ready na break and pa. On to the final lap. Nako. Hindi pa. MP. Aray. Dorong. Naipa. Nag-sideshow pa. Ayun, nadali. Sayang. Venom emerging victorious over MP and will close out the group stage with 2-1, 2 wins, 1 draw. Red, MP talo, si Venom panalo. Yan ang final stand nila. So 2 points. Okay. Next. Alright. Penultimate race of Group A or Team Home featuring McLaren taking on Stargek. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1, Stargek at lane 2. Alright. The penultimate race of Group A or Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Agay, nakasuka. Last two. Final lap. McLaren wins. Alright, so tapos na yung ano. So tapos na yung tapos na lahat halos, no? Mabilis lang tayo matatawag kasi wala naman, so far naman sa knockout station naman medyo matatagal o kaya tiebreaker. First to 6 all the way. Kasi mas lalo nang humahaba yung race stop natin kaya 6 stops na yan. Top. Sweet para kay McLaren. Stargate 1 and 2. So McLaren definitely A1. Top seed ng Group A, A1 si McLaren. Definitely undefeated eh. Okay. Final race of Group B or Team Road featuring Merrick taking on Setsuna. So the Battle of Wolf Warriors naman or actually Owl. It's Owl versus Wolf, Lunar Wolf versus Dark Owl. Yung mangyayari dito sa ating 6th and final race ng Group B or Team Road. And in this matchup, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 2 and Setsuna at lane 1. Ayun, okay. Setsuna kasi kulilat talaga lane 1 yun. Alright. The 6th and final race of Group B or Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Natulog. Draw game. Kumamit. Draw. Tabla. 2 draws. Merrick, 2 draws. Setsuna split. Blue ball pen. Okay. So tapos na yung So tapos na yung group group B. Ang mangyari dyan 5 points. Tapos 3 points. 2 points each. Pag sinin yung higher value. Pag nagtabla sa points, higher value. Definitely win. Last race of group stage will feature Cosmo Atomica taking on Dark Sun. And there's a final race of group stage today rather. And yung this matchup medyo palubog na yung araw ko. Almost medyo evening na po, mga alas 6 na siguro ng gabi. And in this match-up between Cosmo Atomica and Dark Sun, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Dark Sun at lane 2. Alright, the 6th and final race of Group A or Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Dark Sun with a 6 start. What a blazing start right there. Let's see if Darkson can hold on to the lead. Good luck, Sumabit. Sayang. Nagis. Nagis. Nagis ko lang nga. Announcer's jinx na naman. Also, Atomical finishing strong. Finishing the group stage strong with a victory over Dark Sun. Yan. So, palagay ko walang tiebreaker pace mangyayari ngayon dito. Diyan na natapos yung ating group stage. So, we will just confirm ngayon kung we'll just confirm the rankings of all the 8 competitors for today's race day. Final race day of September 2023 right here on DTL SMC. Alright. So Dark Sun A4, walang problema. Ito talagang evenly distributed yung mga yung mga 6-4-2 definitely. 6-4-2 na yan. Sakto. So walang problema pala. 6-4-2-0. Yun na rin. Yun din yung pareho. McLaren, Cosmos, Stargate, Dark Sun. Parehas. So settled na yung team home. Yung FMA. Yun lang, kokopyahin lang natin yung grouping nung kokopya lang tayo. Tsaka Dark Sun A4. Yan. Group B naman tayo. Group B, Venom for 5 points. 2 wins, 1 draw. MP 2 points. Maverick 2 points din. Kaya lang mas angat si MP dahil panalo yung 2 points niyang yun. Yung si Maverick na 2 points din pero dalawang tabla. So, definitely yung win ang mas lamang. Mas lamang yung wins. Mas lamang yung win. Setsuna split 3 points. So okay lang naman na hindi win over the other Tsaka win over the other ganun din naman na talo rin naman nata si talo rin, di ba? Kay Setsuna tabla siya. Hindi, talo. Tama, talo si talo si Venom yung nakatalo kay Setsuna. Pero si Setsuna tinalo si MP. Tapos doon sa last nila, tabla sila ni Maverick. Tapos si Maverick naman kay Venom tabla rin. Yun. Okay. So, talo nga si Lyric MP. Yun din. Same. Same pa lang. Ganun din. Venom. B1. Super 2. B2. Setsuna. Second seed ng Group B si Setsuna. Super 2. B3, MP. Tapos Merrick, B4. Win over the other, ganun din naman. Tapos yung number of wins, ganun din. Parehong 2 points, kaya lang mas lamang yung panalo kaysa tabla. Therefore, si MP yung may tiebreaker kay Merrick. Merrick. Easy. Alright. So, it's all settled then for our group stage for today's finale day of September 2023 right here on the Potsdam League Stock Motor Conference on that track layout that you're seeing here. And we are now in our ranking pace result or group stage results, that is. Here is the results of the group stage. Let's start off with Team Home or Group A. yung pa rin, kung ano yung ranking nila doon sa coming into today's race day, yung pa rin naman yung ranking nila, A1, A2, A3, A4 respectively, yung pa rin, kinopya lang natin. So, McLaren on top of the group, Cosmo in second, Stargeek in third, and Darksun at fourth. Therefore, A1 to A4 respectively, McLaren, Cosmo Atomica, Stargeek, and Darksun, A1, A2, A3, A4 respectively, going to the KO stage. On the other end, it's Team Road with Venom leading the pack with 2 wins and 1 draw, a total of 5. And Setsuna in second with split. All of its 3 assignments split, a win, a loss, and a draw. And then Mpe and Merrick tied with 2 points apiece. But Mpe has the better record because of its 1 victory. 1 win against 2 losses. Merrick has 1 loss and 2 draws. But and also on win over the other rule, MP won over Merrick. Therefore, it's tabla kay Venom at kay Setsuna si Merrick. Kaya may 2 draws siya. So therefore, it's going to be Venom as B1, Setsuna as B2, MP as B3, and Merrick as B4 coming into this KO stage. And we'll just settle. We'll just set this up. Let's set the stage now for the final KO stage of September 2023 right here on the Patstam Elite Stock Motor Conference. With the battle for the Champion of the Month honor overall already decided by Cosmo Atomica. Stargeek, Darksun. Alright. So, ano na to? Venom. Sino si Darksun? Yeah. Sino yung B4? Merrick. Ay. Okay. Tapos Cosmo Atomica. MP. Yun. O, tapos Stargeek safe ko na. Yun yung yun yung tawag dito. A3, B2. A2, B3. Yes. A4, B1. A1, B4. There you go. Alright. So, the matchup in our KO stage tonight. Tonight na po, dahil alas 6 na po pasado ng gabi. Ang matchup na po natin ngayong gabi, A1 versus B4 will be McLaren versus Merrick. A2 versus B3 will be Cosmo Atomica versus Mpe, respectively. A3 versus B2 will be Stargeek versus Setsuna, respectively. And A4 versus B1, respectively, Darksun versus Venom. Alright. So we are now in our knockout stage tonight. Featuring yung ating mga quarterfinal. Wala naman tanggalan talaga dyan sa group stage. Parang classification phase lang naman yung group stage. Parang ranking phase lang din. Tapos, kung ano yung mga ranking na, tapos crossover, quarter, semis, ganyan. Hanggang may mag-champion, and that's it. Alright. So, what was the last time na nag-start tayo dito? Sabi ka nga, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sabi ka yung mangyari yan. Ganito tayo. Alright. So let's start off this knockout stage with the quarterfinals round, and the first quarterfinal duel will be Mpe B3 taking on A2 Cosmo Atomica, and in this matchup it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2, Mpe at lane 1. Dahil si Cosmo Atomica po yung second seeded car ng group A or Team Home, si Mpe naman po third seeded car ng Team Labas or Team Road. Alright. Medyo mabilis lang ito siguro. Alright. Once again, this is yours truly, Don Patrick D. Paragraph for the Patstam Elite Stock Motor Conference on a rainy run and gun Wednesday evening of September 27, 2023 to culminate the month-long competition right here sa Stock Motor Conference. Actually, hanggang December 4 to, talagang Stock Motor Conference lang pumunta. Tapos January to April of 2024, pahinga. Pahinga lang po tayo ng lagay ngayon. Alright? So mga kadipat, we are now in a knockout stage that will be started right away with our quarterfinals. Number 1 is which one? Ready, set, back. ganda talaga ng cornering ng Sonic. Ibang klaseng kumodel talaga. Final Endanger. Tingnan natin kung baboy pa na Enday. On to the final lap. Hindi pa rin nagpaawa si Cosmo Atomica. Grabe. Grabe talaga ang cornering ability ng mga Sonic. Ibang klase. Astig talagang Sonic pagdating sa corner. No wonder bakit marami ang bet. Maraming racer bet din ng mga Sonic. Any Sonic actually. Cosmo, Great Blast, Buster, Blitzer, Hurricane. You'll never go wrong with the Sonic actually. Ibang klase. And Cosmo Atomica returning to the semifinals once more. For one last time this stock motor conference dahil nga po yung nagiging problema natin dito. And ito na po yung nagiging problema natin, medyo na itong pero tsaka sayang PC apps po kasi ito yung gamit niyang chassis. So sayang naman kung masisira lang din diyan. And unfortunately for MP, this will close out its campaign with the final score of I think that's 2 points. Only 2 points. Just a couple of points. Yes, 3 points. Final score for MP will be 3 points. So, yun na po yung niya. Yung final score niya this month. So, babalik din siya sa October. Pero parang na lang. Stock fire. Parang open stock. Open stock fire na lang pangyayari dyan. Alright. So, again, congratulations Cosmo Atomica dahil pasok pa rin sa semifinals itong si Cosmo Atomica. Hindi pa rin nagpapaawat kahit alam ng panalo. Ayaw pa makontento. So, may ganun. But, again, the battle for the champion of the month overall is already decided. With Cosmo Atomica being the highest scorer, pwede pang maging 23 kung sakali, kung mag-champion siya. Alright. Quarterfinals number 2 will feature McLaren, top-seeded car from Group A or Team Home, taking on the Kulelat of Group B or Team Road Merrick. So let's see kung ano na yung magiging kahinatnan ng kanilang duelo o crossover duel sa labang ito between McLaren and Merrick, wherein McLaren will start at lane 1 and Merrick will start at lane 2. Dragon's Breath, activate. Alright mga kadipat, let's get ready to rumble right here in this quarterfinals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, back. That's it. Final lap. Oh, good. Good pa yan, good. At least nakalampas na somehow. Pwede pa yan, okay lang yan. Sumaysyo, tapos 1, 2, nakabalik. Lumampas na pero nakabalik naman. So, it's alright. And McLaren will return to the semifinals round upon booting out Merrick. So, unfortunately for Merrick, that's going to be its last in the group stage. So, babalik din siya sa yung parang pambahay na stock. Mangyayari sa October. Babalik pa rin naman yan sina MP, Merrick at Metalder as stock. Ngayon yung sina Neon Sara, Setsuna, tsaka si Venom, parang mag-fit in na lang sila. Ganun mangyayari dyan. 7 cars at a time. Per race day, kada race day, 7. Balik na sa dating format. So, mas hahaba na yung ating natin yung vlog. Pero same time pa rin. Alas 5 pa rin yung simula. Alright. So, McLaren advances to the semifinals one more time. For one last time. One last time dahil huling sayo. Sayang kasi yung CFM na gamit niya eh. Sayang kasi pwede pa natin gamitin sa Speedtech or kung ano man. So, ang final score kay Merrick will be 1 point. Only 1 point for entire September 2023. So, dalawang team bahay na yung nakapasok. Let's see kung masusweep ng team bahay itong ano natin, yung September 27, 2023. Alright. Quarterfinals number 3 will feature Venom, the top-seeded car from Group B or Team Road, taking on the bottom 4, Dark Sun. So, yung kulelat ng Group A, kalaban ng hari ng Group B sa puntong ito sa quarterfinals number 3. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and Dark Sun will start at lane 1. Alright mga ka-V-Pop, let's get ready to rumble in this quarterfinals number 3. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Venom ahead. Final engineer, Venom. Onto na tayo na lang. Alright, that's it. Tira. Medyo nang hina na. Unfortunately nga lang kay Dark Sun, posibleng huling sayo niya ngayon. No? So unfortunately for Dark Sun, parang huling sayo na lang niya muna itong September 27, 2023. So let's see kung may babalik pa natin yan come the last quarter of the year 2023. Let's just see what's next for Dark Sun. So abang-abang na lang tayo kung sakali may mababalik na. And it's going to be Venom spoiling the sweep, the sweep attempt of Team Home to sweep the entire quarter-final round, with Venom advancing to the semifinals once more, renewing its rivalry against McLaren one last time this month. So yung isang team bahay, isang team bahay, dalawang team labas, yung nasibak. Alright, quarter-final matchup will be Stargeek A3 versus B2 Setsuna. Ito na yung pinaka-crucial, must-win situation for Setsuna. Itong equally speedy itong dalawang ito, sina Setsuna at si Stargeek. Maganda rin yung hataw ng VC chassis na si Stargeek. Sa control po. Yun din, last dance na rin ni Stargate na lang papalit na sa kanya, si Metallic. As team bahay. Puro stock motor conference pa rin. Alright. So in this quarter-final matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1 and Stargate starting at lane 6. Alright. Teka. Kalimutan ko Alright mga ka-V-Pop, it's now time for our fourth and final quarter-final matchup in the KO stage. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Target ahead. Go, off. Re-race. Pareho sumemplang din si Setsuna. Nagkatamaan man sila ni Stargate kaya sumemplang na. Naunang sumemplang si tapos sumemplang din si Setsuna. Therefore, re-race. Re-race pa more. Yan nga yung malamang nga last man to. Parehong mamaw itong dalawa eh. Pareho kasing mamaw yung dalawa eh. Si Stargate at saka si Setsuna. Grabe, biglang nagka-momentum si Setsuna. Grabe naman yun. Diyos ko po. Palitan na nga siya ng gulong ni Merrick. Ay, sorry. Parang bitin yung pagkaano ko ihip ko eh. Alright, mga ka-V-Pop. First of 2 restarts in our quarters. 4. Ready, set, bye. Okay, last man standing. Last man standing. Unang umimbang, talo. Ganun ang mangyayari dyan. Last man standing, mga kadipat. Belat, Banlagon. Hindi. Top. Top. Alright. At least wala na yung sorgo kay Papa. Kahit salamat, Diyos ko po. Alright. Final restart. Ready, set, bye. Good. Okay. Panalo na si target. Alright. And that's it. And that's it. And that's it for Setsuna. Unfortunately for Setsuna, maaga siyang una siyang umimbang. So, unfortunately for Setsuna, Setsuna will not be able to clinch the the crucial championship points for to host Venom on top of Group B. So therefore, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica and Venom garnering the Champion of the Month honor for this month of September 2023. And it's going to be Stargek returning to the semifinals round to settle a score once more against Cosmo Atomica. So, yan yung mga magkalaban sa sa semifinals natin. So, isang taga-labas, isang team labas, tatlong team bahay ang pasok sa ating semis round. Alright. Sayang. Ang ganda na sana, na last man pa. Nakatagal pa si Stargek. Yan. Tapos ang boxing t-shirt ko na. So, ang final score kay Setsuna will be 11. Yun na yun. Final score na yun, 11. Alright. So, we'll now proceed right away with our semifinals round featuring Venom taking on McLaurin. Ating semis round. And with this matchup of villains sa Let's and Go, Big Spider versus Black and Gigant ang mangyayari ngayon sa ating semifinals number 1 for tonight. And it's going to be para ba silang top seed? Yes, parehong top seed pala to ng magkabilang panig. So better record. O sino may better record? O si McLaurin yun. Therefore, McLaurin will start at lane 2. Venom will start at lane 1 since si McLaurin kasi 3-0 sa group stage. Sa kabila naman si Venom, 2 wins, 1 draw. O sino yung mas lamang? Yung mas maraming panalo. Kung sino may mas, pareho silang top seeded sa magkabilang group. Pero kung sino may mas maraming panalo, siya na yung higher seed. Therefore, in this semifinals number 1, McLaurin starts at lane 2, Venom at lane 1. Alright mga kadipat, we are now in our semifinals round of the KO stage for September 27, 2023 right here on DPAS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And let's begin this right away with our semifinals number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Final danger mga McLaurin. Final lock. Wala talaga. Hindi talaga nagpakahog. Talagang di nagpakabog si McLaren. And McLaren not getting, never getting enough para ito kay McLaren. And McLaren will secure another championship race still. Returning to the championship race one last time para kay McLaren. At si Venom, balik na namang race for third mamaya. In the meantime, it's semifinals number 2 action between Cosmo Atomica, second seed of Group A, against third seeded car from Group A as well, Stargex. So yung magkagrupo, number 2 and number 3 respectively, si Cosmo Atomica at si Stargex ang magkalaban sa ating semifinals number 2 tonight. And in this matchup, it's going to be lane 1 for Cosmo Atomica and lane 2 for Stargex as their respective starting lanes right here in this semifinals number 2. Switch up. Oh, teka muna. Di pa pala ako nag-ipan. Oh. Ayun, switch on, legit. Ready, set, bye. Starting kami. Ready to have it. So, patingin na lead. Ayun na naman, ayun. This time, hindi na talaga na pinaya. Last two. Final lap. Okay. Winner. Wala pa rin. Ayaw pa rin magpawat ni Cosmo Atomica. And Cosmo Atomica rekindling its rivalry against McLaren one last time this September 2023. Also, one last time this year, 2023. At yan ang magkalaban sa ating championship race once again. Right after this race for third featuring Stargex and Venom battling it out. All fried chicken na to. Para sa race for third between Venom and Stargex. So, top seeded si Venom ng group B or home. Ito, Team Road pala. So, yung si naman, Stargex third seed ng group A. Therefore, Venom will start at lane 2. Stargex this time starting at lane 1. Yan. Again, Venom lane 2, Stargex lane 1, ang kanilang mga respective starting lanes sa ating race for third duel na ito. Alright mga ka-Dipat, without further ado, it's now time for our final race for third this September 2023 right here on Dipat's Tamilig Stock Motor Conference. First to 6. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Target with a quick start. Lapit pa doon. Last two. Final lap. Grabe. Doon pa nag-inok. Okay, winner. Completing the 1-2-3 sweep for Team Home. Itong si Stargex ending its campaign on Dipat's Tamilig Stock Motor Conference with a third place finish to culminate its campaign this month of September 2023. Last dance. Yung top 3 natin ngayon, last dance na rin nila. So we will now have a new champion din sa darating na October. Panibagong conference ulit yan. Panibagong set ng mga competitors sa stock motor conference. Pero stock motor pa rin gagamitin natin. And Venom this time will settle for 4th place after 3 straight 3rd place finishes. So final score kay Venom against Setso na 15-11. Ang final score kay Venom 15. Making it champion of the month for Team Road. Cosmo Atomica, champion of the month for Team Home. And the much-awaited championship race, the final championship race of September 2023, will feature one last time Cosmo Atomica versus McLaren. Isang huling sayaw para sa dalawang ito sa ating stock motor conference. Dahil nga po nasisira na po yung mga FMA natin, kaya po nang alagaan itong dalawa. Kasi parehong reinforced chassis ito eh. Carbon FM yung si McLaren, tapos reinforced FMA si si Cosmo Atomica. PC Hubs, so polycarbonate hubs resin yung gamit. So, sayang naman itong PC Hubs at saka CFM kung ilalaro ko lang dito sa bahay. So, pe-preserve ko na sila after this. Alright. So, in this championship race, final championship race to culminate September 2023, right here on the Potsdamer Stock Motor Conference, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1. And Cosmo Atomica will start at lane 2. Okay? Alright. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time for our championship race to culminate a final championship race to end up a month-long racing, a month-long series of racing right here on the Potsdamer Stock Motor Conference this September 2023. First to 6, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Going to the start. Buka kapunin ni Cosmo at tinungo kayo. McLaren turn ko na. After it's lap 2. And then on to the final lap. Ay, oh, wheel. So, a total of 22 para kay Cosmo Atomica, samantalang si McLaren ay 16 points, I think. 16 ba kay McLaren? 16, yes. So, McLaren will finish the September 2023 with a total of 16 points on aggregate after winning 3 straight championships, or winning the last 3, actually. Winning the last 3 race days of the Potsdamer Stock Motor Conference this month. And Cosmo Atomica finishing with the back-to-back second place finishes the past 2 weeks. So, talagang consistent at number 2. Second place finisher itong si Cosmo Atomica to close out its campaign on the Potsdamer Stock Motor Conference in a champion of the month to boot alongside Venom. So, sina Cosmo at Venom ang ating mga co-champions of the month. Champion of the month ng Team Home, champion of the month ng Team Road. Okay. Final results na tayo. Uy! 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 Natumba na. Durog. Sorry. Natumba ng di oras yung stand. Durog. Nalpas ni boxing. Durog. Alright. So here now is the final podium finishers of September 2023. Here on the Potsdamer Stock Motor Conference with McLaren winning the last set of championship points this month of September 2023 on this track layout na ako po yung nag-design, yours truly, Lipat Aguilar, yan mismo, based doon sa mga previous race track nung mga nakaraang seasons natin. Alright. So, McLaren will finish champion this September 27, 2023 and will close out its campaign in Stock Motor Conference with a total of 16 aggregate points. Ito yung mga final score. Fin na yan. Final. Final na lahat yan. Final na lahat. Tapos ito na final. Final. Okay. Alright. So again, congratulations McLaren. And then Cosmo Atomica, another second place finish. So yung huling apat, yung second half pala ng September 2023, consistent second placer si Cosmo Atomica. Against the same opponent. Hindi. Yung una, talo siya kay Setsuna. Tapos yung huling tatlo, si McLaren tumalo sa Cosmo Atomica. So yun yung nangyari. Alright. So, a total of 22 points para kay Cosmo Atomica, garnering the Champion of the Month honor this month. On the other end, Stargek finishing third this September 27, 2023. Swerte na naman yung pula. Pero yan na yung last dance na rin. Itong top 3 na to, last dance na po. Huling sayaw ngayong buwan, ngayong taon na to. Kasi for now, I don't know lang ngayon kung kailan ko mababalik si McLaren at si Cosmo Atomica sa Stock Motor Conference, if ever. Kung meron tayong extra na kung meron tayong mabibili na extra na Super FM, dapat Super FM hindi reinforced. It has to be reinforced chassis. Starting October, standard abs resin lang gagamitin natin. Hindi tayo gagamit ng mga reinforced chassis like PC abs, PACF, hindi po natin gagamitin yun. Yung mga glass fiber, hindi po. So, sa October talagang all abs. Standard abs resin lang gagamitin natin. Alright. Finally but not the least, Venom finishing 4th and 1 point on aggregate. One final point to add on its aggregate tally, making it the final score of 15. And Venom will win the champion of the month for Team Road or Team Labas. So itong dalawang to, sina Cosmo Atomica at si Venom, sila po yung ating mga champion of the month awardees for Team Road, Team Home rather. It's going to be Cosmo Atomica winning it with overall total of 22 points. Overall total dahil yun yung pinakamataas na score this month. While Venom garnering 15 points total on top of Team Road or Team Labas. So itong dalawang to ang ating mga Champion of the Month awardees ngayong September 2023 at babalik sila sa ating Grand Prix on December 31 this year. Alright, so there you have it mga kadipat. Muli, ito yung mga podium finishers to culminate September 2023. And once again, ito naman yung ating mga Champion of the Month awardees, Champion of the Month winners na sina Champion of the Month awardees na sina Cosmo Atomica at Venom for Team Home and Team Road respectively. And that will do it for a month-long series of Tamiya Mini 4-Wheel Drive Racing Action right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And pagdating ng October 2 onwards, panibagong track layout, new set of challenges coming our way dito sa ating paboritong DPAT's Tamiya League, but this time on a Stock Motor Conference only. So yung mga tune motor, pahinga na lang muna, samahin na lang po natin yung paggaganahin ulit or sa Grand Prix. So si Venom pwedeng mag-tune 2 sa Grand Prix kung sakali. Alright. So once again, this has been yours truly, Don Patrick, the Paragular, signing off for now, and thank you so much to all who watched. And whoever will, o kung sino man yung mag-drop by, anumang oras dito sa ating video lag tuwing Lunes at Miyerkules, dito sa ating paboritong tambayan sa DPAT's Laboratory for DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And once again, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities around you, and protect yourselves from all those negativities at all times and at all costs. And as always mga kadipat, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. At muli po, ito po ang inyong punong lingkod, Don Patrick D. Paragular, leaving you a pleasant run and gun Wednesday evening to all of you. At muli po, mahalin natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong pumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanino. And once again, this has been another presentation of another exciting Tamiya Mini 4-Wheel Drive Racing Action right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. At kita-kits tayo ulit sa October 2 for a new set of Tamiya Mini 4-Wheel Drive Racing Action on a new track layout. Dito lang po yan sa DPAT's Tamiya League Facebook page live from 5 p.m. onwards every Monday and Wednesday. Only here sa DPAT's Tamiya League Facebook page po natin. Yan, sa lahat ng mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, ang mga bago pa lang sa channel, please like, follow, share, and subscribe sa aking mga pages, DPAT Aguilar, An Evening with DPAT Aguilar, at DPAT's Tamiya League, at syempre sa YouTube channel na Don Patrick DPAT Aguilar. So for now mga kadipat, ito po ang inyong naging DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this September 2023. For now mga kadipat, God bless you always. Shokran.